Hey Dom. Here we are. Seagrove Beach with Dom and Miranda and Dad and Ed. Hey Miranda. Hi. Uh-oh. You okay? You're alright. Come on. I'm sorry, bud. Hold on. Just taking a little movie. Hey Dad, did you put the keys back in the pocket? Hey Dad, did you put the keys back in the pocket?
I put it in the thing.
Alright, good. Yes. You want to go home? Why? We're going to go build some sandcastles.
Got some slightly salted raisins here.
Oh, okay. Lightly salted raisins.
I got the thing.
All right. Take a little movie.
I got the